Hi, I'm Stephen White from UMGC Data 625 Data Visualizations. And today we're going to look into the Unit 2 assignment. Specifically, for this dashboard, it's looking at the 2020 presidential election and some of the trends. The dashboard is broken into 3 sheets. In sheet 1, you will see the election results broken down by region, looking into the specific Democratic and Republican votes by region. In sheet 2, we have the U.S. map broken down by number of counties, looking into how many counties for each of the specific states. The darker the shade of blue, the higher the number of counties. So as you can see, Texas had the highest number of counties with 254. Next, we have the sheet 3 with each state and the population for each state. You'll see the size, the square size or the shape size is based off of the population for that specific state. So as you can see, California had the highest population and the largest size. And then down here, Wyoming with the smallest size. Looking into this dashboard, you can see many different trends by clicking on various elements of the dashboard to see how specifically each region or would have voted in the election, and if there was any outliers. So let's say right here, we're looking at the Midwest. So we wanted to see how the votes were in the Midwest. So clicking on the Midwest, you'll have you click over in sheet 1, it'll tell you specifically in the Midwest, the population for each state in the Midwest. You can see the actual specific number of counties here for each of those states. And if, let's say we wanted to look at specifically Illinois, we can see that Illinois specifically had in the Midwest, the number of Republican votes. So with this dashboard, there's various different features added. Let's say up here, if we wanted to just look at sheet 2 and sheet 3, if we're not concerned specifically with the presidential numbers and we just want to look at the states, the population for each state, and how many counties are in each state, we could click here. Let's say for Minnesota, we can look at the population for Minnesota, and it tells us that there is 5 million people in Minnesota. So this is my dashboard looking at the presidential election and some of the results. Thank you for your time.